so we will be unboxing this month's Matrix Shad box. So let's see. Let's see what they have. So we have 2 packs of the Matrix Mini Glows. We have some number 4 yellow-eyed or black jig heads with yellow eyes, number 4. The golden eye jig heads that are made by Matrix. There are 2 packs of them. We have 2 packs of the lemon head minis. These are 2 packs of the Vortex Shads. I'm gonna have to get the colors for y'all. 2 packs of these Matrix Shad. And 1 pack of these Vortex Shads. Alright, so these colors, which is the, you notice they're a pink with silver flake and a chartreuse tail on them. These are called kamikaze colored. These Vortex Shads, which are the purple top, laminated clear bottoms with silver glitter, it looks like, and chartreuse tails, are the purple haze. And these Matrix Shads here are the midnight mullets, and they're like a, I don't know, it's like a almost a lavender laminate on top with a clear bottom and silver glitter. And this is Toulouse. I haven't seen him in a while, but if you watch some of the earlier videos, you've seen him. He just likes to be nosy and be loved on. But if you're wondering, Frank, what's the difference between a Vortex Shad and a Matrix Shad? Well, let me tell you. This is the standard Matrix Shad, the profile. Triangled. Tails made almost like a U. The Vortex Shad profile is almost the same body, but they have a fin on the back here. Going down to the tail is ribbed and a little bit more motion, I believe, in these. And this tail is almost like a diamond-y shape. I don't know what you'd call that shape. If you know what that shape is, let me know, because I don't know what to call it. And then, of course, I believe the minis, I've used a few of the minis, but the minis, I'm going to open one of them up and show you. Problem is with the minis, they come in these little, they're 15 pack in the minis. When you open them, they go crazy. Let me pick these up real quick. Now just stay tuned. I'll be back in a second. So the minis are literally what they are said. Let me show you. They're I don't know if you can see how much shorter they are. They're a lot smaller. And I say a lot, I mean a lot. So I think the minis are a 2-inch. So I don't know how I feel about the GoldenEye jig head yet. One thing they don't have is any type of bait keeper on them. You can see there's no bait keeper on these. It's just a ball with the black, with the yellow eye. They would work perfectly with these minis. Leave me in the comments below if you've ever used any of their GoldenEye, these hooks. There's no bait keeper on it. So my fear would be is the first fish that short strikes a mini, which, I mean, it would have to be a small fish, but, you know, small bluegills or whatever, short strikes that mini, and they're just gonna yank away your mini. So both the Vortex Shad and the Matrix Shad, you can order them in 8, 25, 50, or 100 pack. The minis come in 15, 30, 60, or 105. I will leave a link for the box in my description below, where you can go pick you up one if you want one. And also, you saw the beginning, it says, "Thank you for joining the revolution." If you want to see how these baits work, I will leave the link to my comparison video in the description below, where I compared the Matrix Shad, the Vortex Shad, to 2 other swim baits If you enjoyed this video and want to support the channel, think about subscribing. At least give it a thumbs up. Let me know how I did. Leave a comment below. And if you want to be entered into our giveaway, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button. Every 100 subscribers, we do a giveaway.